Hello everyone and welcome back to Siempre Infinitos DIY. My name is Maria. Thank you so much for stopping by. Before we begin, I would like to thank those who last watched my video and also liked and comment on it. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Your positive feedback does wonders for me. So today's video is going to be about a Christmas swag. Now this Christmas swag is special because it's a Child Mackenzie Christmas swag dupe. And if you do not know who Child Mackenzie is, well, it is a whimsical style. It's very pricey. Lots of their items are very pricey. Actually, come to think of it, I think all of them. Anyway, and of course, it's way over budget for me. So I thought, why not make my own Child Mackenzie inspired swag. So with that being said, forgot, I gave myself also a challenge that I would try to do this under, are you ready, under $50. That's right, under $50. So Child Mackenzie $500, mine $50. So if you're interested in watching, go ahead and grab that cup of coffee or whatever your favorite beverage is and keep watching. So this is my Mackenzie's Child inspiration piece. So I found this 2-foot tree at Goodwill for $7.99. So I removed the stand, flipped it upside down, and now I'm going to start decorating it. So now I'm gonna add 2 sets of greenery, each worth $2.50. So now I'm gonna add 4 lamb ears. They were $1 each. So now that we have all of the greenery, now we're going to choose where to add our bow. Now that I add the bow to the swag, I'm going to add more greenery and the ornaments. So now I'm adding some pieces of holly berry. They were $5 a bush. 2 red picks for $2 a piece. And these ornaments were for $2 a piece. These I already had in my stash. I made some clusters. And these beauties as well. And this cutie was $10. And last but not least, these 2 little snow trees that I got for $2. And there you have it, my own Mackenzie Child Christmas swag. I am so proud of myself. Pat in the back. Yes, and you know how I said that I was gonna challenge myself with the $50? Well, it actually came out to be $45.50. And with the $4.50 that I had left, I went to Goodwill, got a 1-footer, brought it home, and with whatever I had left from making the big swag, and with also what I already had at home, I just threw it together and made a smaller version of it. And there you have it. I love them both. They're great. I can't wait to hang them up during Christmas. And I think that's it. I think we'll call it a day. Thank you so much, guys, for stopping by. I really appreciate you watching this video. And I think that's it. Till next time. Stay safe, be kind.